case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the Supreme Court of Rhode Island heard the case of Hayes v. Plantations Steel Company, which revolved around whether a promise made by the company's founder was binding and enforceable. Edward Hayes, a longtime employee, retired in 1972 after 25 years of service. Before retiring, Hayes had a conversation with Hugo Mainelli, the founder of Plantations, who promised the company would take care of him in retirement without specifying an arrangement. For a period of 4 years, Plantations paid Hayes $5,000 annually, but payments ceased under new management. Hayes sued the company for breach of the implied-in-fact retirement contract in 1977, claiming either sufficient consideration for the promise or enforcement through promissory estoppel. The trial court ruled in favor of Hayes, and Plantations appealed the verdict. The Supreme Court overturned the lower court's ruling, arguing that there was no implied contract based on the parties' conduct, as Hayes had already announced his intent to retire prior to Mainelli's promise. The promise was thus deemed a mere gratuity, and promissory estoppel was rejected, as Hayes didn't rely on the promise to make his retirement decision. The trial court's judgment was reversed, and the case became a notable example of contract enforceability in employment and retirement arrangements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.